Yeah, so my name is Alice Emi. If you're new here, karibu sana. Yes, we are back. I am back with another interesting video. Yes, yeah. So guys, if you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome. Yeah. So those that have been on my channel, you guys have been seeing on how I've been doing gain weight smoothies, and guys these are good news. I didn't so much mind about going to weigh myself like every week since I began doing this smoothie thing. Yes, but recently I went and just a minute. Remember I told you guys that I was having 59 kgs. Okay, kitambo I had my weight. I had like a 65 or 66. That was my weight kitambo sana. That is why when I lost, when I went to 59. My target was 65, which I had, because you know it was just there. I was not so very big or fat. I wasn't tiny, so it was good for me. So when I began this journey of gaining weight, I decided to push it to 65. Yes, yeah. So guys, hey, I went I recently went to weigh myself, and guess what? I'm now at 62, from 59 to 62. I know I don't always shoot every day, like when I'm taking I don't normally do tutorials every day for the smoothie, but once in a while I'm able to show you guys. Though for me, I take it every day without missing. One glass in the morning and one glass in the evening when I'm back from work. Yeah, so the journey is still going on. I still have to add on more 3, yes, because I'm at 62. I need more 3 kgs to go. Yeah, so I decided to do a different recipe for the smoothie, and this time I'm doing mango, bananas, peanut. I don't know, I've never tried it out. It's my first time. I like trying out new things and seeing how they work out, or how they go. Yeah, so hopefully it will be one of the best that we have done on this video. Let's get started. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and support me, support your girl, and let her grow. And of course, if I'm growing, I won't grow alone. We are growing together. Yes, you're going to ask yourself, what do you mean we're growing together? I mean, if you guys are able to support me and I'm able to grow, my prayers are back to you. Of course, with the help of God, you will see yourself grow as well in all that you do. I always pray for you guys. Like, you know, it's always good to pray for people that you don't even know, you don't even see. It is very good to always pray for someone that you don't even know. Most people, or most of the time, we normally dedicate people that we know. But have you ever sat somewhere and you thought about a situation, or situations that people go through, and you just close your eyes and be like, God, I thank you for this person. I thank you for this category of people in whatever that they're going through. Help them achieve whatever that they want and fulfill their heart desires. So when I say let's grow together, I mean, you may be wondering how okay, grow together. Okay, you're growing, but how am I growing? With the help of God, whatever that you're doing, be positive and put God first, and have faith that this year it is a year of change, and you're going to make it in whatever that you are planning. Anyway, that is not as to why we are shooting this video. We need to get back to the point as to why we are shooting this video. So I love you guys. I'm going to start with this. This is mango. These are my mangoes, and I always tell people how much I spend on the smoothies. Anything that I do, I love telling people how much I have spent, because I don't want someone who is there feel like for you to do that, or you need to have a lot of money. Yes, yeah. So for the mango, it was 20 bob, Kenyan, of course, Kenyan shillings, and then this was 5 bob. The banana, make sure that your hands are clean. So that's the banana. So we are going to use 1 banana. We're adding peanuts. Also, we're adding a milk. Milk was 25. You guys are able to see my cheeks. So, are you ready? Are you ready to see this? Are you ready for this? Let's guys, if you haven't tried this out, by the way, it's not a lie, it's not tutorial, it's not like I'm just creating content, but guys, what I'm telling you is the truth. Go through my videos. If you want to gain weight, go through my videos that I've been doing for smoothies. The reason as to why I don't do the same, I love trying out new things, like I told you. Yes, so if you want to gain weight, go to all my videos that I've made with a smoothie and check them out, try them out, and give me a feedback. As for me, I am a living testimony. From 59 to 62 kgs, and right now I'm chasing, I want more 3 kgs to hit a 65 that I want to have. Even you guys can see, look at my cheeks. I mean, I look good, babe. I look good, man. don't need to add sugar, guys. It's really nice. It's really yummy, delicious. Very good. It has enough sugar. It has enough natural sugar. I didn't add any, and do not add any sugar. Wait, if you've tried this out with me, comment down below and tell me how is it on your end. As for me, I'm just enjoying the sweetness of this. Oh, well, I hope I won't be tempted to even take this one, because I'm meant to take this in the evening. I hope I'll control my mouth. I hope I'll control my mouth not to take it right now, because it's very nice. Wow. You see that? Cheers! Cheers to you who is gaining weight with me. Cheers to you who also want to start but then afraid. Cheers to you who has tried it out and you're like, yes baby, that is true. And cheers to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Wait, oh, guys, this smoothie, I think it is the best. It is okay. The other time I did a melon smoothie and it was really sweet. It was really nice. It had enough sugar. But I tried out the recipe for the melon smoothie. It was melon banana smoothie, I think. Yes, if you've tried out that recipe and you have also tried out this one, tell us which one is the best. The other one, the one for the melon, or this one. And if you haven't watched that one, I'm going to link it as well in the comments, not in the comment section. I'm going to link it here or here. And if you can go through my videos as well, you also find very many, not so many, but you also find like 3 or 2 recipes for the smoothies. All are gaining weight smoothie. Yeah, so I won't take this video any further than here. You guys, I'm telling you, hey, I'm looking good. Oh, I didn't do any makeup. I just applied lipstick. I didn't even do the eyebrows. But look at me. Look at me, guys. Do I look 30? Do I look my age? Okay, I'm not yet 30, but I'm soon turning 30. Anyways, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the other videos. Bye. I love you all. Mwah.